Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Songmics racing sport office chair with tilt function. It's a computed desk swivel chair with PU black OBG56B, and you can choose the color. In this case it is black. It's also available in blue, in green, in gray, orange, red, or in white. Safe and durable to use. The key parts of this chair, such as an armrest, tray, wheels, outer return cylinder with height adjustment, etc. They are upgraded, adapting the large 5-star foot diameter is 70 centimeter. This chair has been tested by TÜV Rheinland, meeting the standards of EN 1335, 2 and 3. High quality seat materials and excellent PU fabrics and high density thick foam which has good elasticity, even not easy deforming over a long time of use, and proper structure design. We have here an ergonomically designed shape to mitigate the body radius, with adjustable height from 107 to 117 centimeter and a back height about 70 centimeter. It is best suited to people of up to 175 centimeter in height. The seat to the ground is about 45 to 55 centimeter. 360 degrees rotation is possible, and also it have a tilting mode system. You can choose what's the right sit position you can use for your back, and this you can reach with this adjustable seat. Specially designed wheels are included too. That means high quality PU wheels, less damage to the floor, and that comes with a good mute effect. It's suited for hard floors such as parquet, laminate, ceramic tile, PVC, and nearly all other materials too. And spare parts. The additional wheels and screws as spare. The plastic box packaging screws and the set number to prevent it losing or missing. That means there you can see that all tools are there. Simple and low back racing chair. It's an ergonomic design. It keeps healthy sitting posture. It's user-friendly design. Bilaterals arc backrests and soft armrests adapt to the curvature of the human body. It comes with premium materials and silent castors with PU coating. Generous and highly resistant foam padding seats. The seat can be adjusted up or down by 10 centimeters. And we have multifunctional and adjustable chair. The rocking function with 90 up to 110 degrees tilting function. And the rocks back of the fourth for the relaxation. We have stable 5-star base with castors. The maximum load capacity is 150 kilogram. The high-quality PU castors comes for smooth and safe rolling. And we have wear-resistant PU fabric and a high-density foam padding. That means soft and comfortable and easy to clean. Selected foam provides optimal comfort. And you can see it's nearly easy to assemble this chair. First you start with the base. Then you go and install the back seat. After this process, you can go to the armrest. They are marked with right and left direction. If you make these jobs easily done because it is really fast to attach this, you can go to the center. The center part has to be insert each other. That's the welding thing. But before you do that, you have to put the wheels into it, the rollers. And then there is a gas spring, an upside down gas spring, which brings us the comfort to lift it up and go down with the chair. This is only get into position, get the chair on top, and sit down. Then it is ready for use. You can see easy installation, and it looks really good. And you can make a good sitting comfort on this Songmics Racing Sport Office chair with tilt function. It's a nice computer desk swivel chair in PU black in this case. You can also buy it in different colors on the market. But the halo of the chair itself is the PU leather is black all the time. But in the center, at the seating areas, on the back side and then on the ground, you can choose between blue, gray, green, red, orange, white, and so on. And then relax, baby. Good job. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.